Hey, what's up you guys, my name is Sahya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a cake. 7 months ago I said I was gonna have a giant cake if I get 150 subscribers. I got 120 subscribers. My next goal is 150. So when it gets 150, I will be definitely going to have a huge cake and it's gonna be on camera. But actually I already got 150 subscribers a couple months ago, but I couldn't do the video because I was so busy. I had to find my job. 2 months later, here we are. I think it's good time to do this. I actually have 154 subscribers right now. This is huge deal to me because I gained 30 subscribers in 7 months. That's a big deal. You might be thinking, why are you celebrating with 150 subscribers? I mean, personally, to me, this is so crazy. I'm questioning, why are you watching my videos? So yeah, oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I would like to thank all of you, all of my audience, all of the subscribers for supporting me and watching my videos. I'm so grateful for that. I couldn't even expect this to happen 7 months ago. So I'd like to make this video to celebrate these subscribers. In my last video, I talked about things that I hate. After I published the video, I realized that I was actually making a hate video. You know, making a hate video, that's not me. And I don't want to make more of it, so I'm just gonna stop making content about things that I hate. Instead, I'd like to make more positive videos where I talk about things that I really love, which also means no more Japanese culture content video. Yes, you know, every time I talk about Japanese culture, only negative things comes out from my mouth. So I don't want to do that anymore. So I'm so sorry if you expected more culture content video. Well, it's not gonna happen anymore because I really want to focus on something positive. You know, if you go back to my old videos, I started this channel because I wanted to share something that I love. You know, one of my oldest video is like reaction videos where I was reacting to Marvel movie trailers. I wanted to share our love. Let's just do something fun and anything makes us smile. Not being sad. I'm off today. I want to do something so fun. So let's bake a cake. Actually, it's not a baking cake. Last night I asked my sister, do we have oven in this apartment? And she said yes. She said, this is open. This is not an oven. We're not gonna make a cake with this because this is too small. I want to make it bigger and giant. This is not it. So what I'm gonna do today is to go shopping and buy some sponges that is already made. Hey guys, I'm here at York Mart and I'm going to buy some ingredients for a cake. This is the cake section. Hot cake mix? This is not a cake. Where's the cake mix or sponge? Wait a minute, I don't think they have it. I just asked one of the employees and he brought me to this place and I just found it right here. This is the only one they have. Oh, that's 2 slices. I want to make it giant, so maybe it's gonna be like 3 or 4 layers. I'm gonna buy 2 of them there. Yesterday I asked my mom if there's any frosting in the supermarket in Japan. She said there's no frosting in the Japanese supermarket, so maybe I can use whipped cream. This is not frosting, this is actually cream, but I'm gonna use this instead. It's so light, I'm gonna have to buy a lot, I think. I don't know, 5 maybe? The next thing I'm gonna have to buy is food coloring. I found it. Black, green, red, and yellow, that's it. I'm gonna buy each of these. So I just got back from shopping with a lot of ingredients. I bought a lot. It costed over $30 US. But anyways, do I know how to make a cake? No. Did I do a research? No. Absolutely not. Let's make a cake. So first thing I'm gonna do is to color this whipped cream / frosting. As I already told you, there's no frosting in Japan, so I'm gonna use this whipped cream. I bought 5 of them. I'm going to color all of these and put it all over the cake. You know what I mean? So these are food coloring. Those are only the colors they had: green, yellow, and red. And I have absolutely no idea how to use this, how to make a color. Use the small spoon attached to this box. Melt this liquid with boiled water. Okay? Oh my god. So this is the coloring thing. Oh my gosh, it's powder. I thought it was liquid. It smells nothing. And this is the spoon they were talking about. This is so tiny. It's even smaller than my pinky. Okay, first I'm gonna make a color based on this galaxy color palette. So first I'm gonna make black because it's a galaxy. Black is a base color. So I'm gonna mix red, green, yellow, all of them. I have absolutely no idea how to do it. How do I do this? A small spoon of yellow, a small spoon of red, and finally a small spoon of green. Now it looks like this. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Is this enough? I don't know how much water I'm supposed to be pouring. Oh my gosh, it's black. I don't know how to make blue. How do I make a blue? Orange. No, there's no way I can make a blue out of those colors. Oh my gosh, I want to make a blue, but I can't. Are you fucking kidding me? Maybe more green. I don't know. Why is everything black? Guys, I was trying to make purple and it's black. What the heck? What color is this? Why is everything turned into black? This is supposed to be red. Okay, let me do a test. Oh my gosh, this is a pink. Cute. Okay, so I was doing right. But it's so sad you don't know the exact color until you do this. This is not the color I was expecting. It's so hard. I didn't expect making color was gonna be this difficult. I made two kinds of poop colors. So this is green. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is like strawberry someday. Whoa. Wow. This is so fun. The only regret is that I couldn't make blue color. But this is still fun. I'm pro. This reminds me of the days in elementary school attending art classes. That was like heaven. I really loved creating art. I was really bad at math and science and history, all of that kind of stuff. I was so bad. But instead, I was really good at, you know, art, music, PE. When I was in junior high school, the teachers told me it was impossible for me to go to a good high school because my grade was so bad. But look at me right now. I went to American college. Nobody expected that to happen. So I'm like, you were wrong. And now I came back to Japan and making gross poop whipped cream. This one is white. How do I make an absolute black out of this? This was supposed to be black. Oh my gosh. I just poured yellow color and this is so bright. Ew, I don't like this color. Well, that turned into this orange. So guys, I have 5 colors ready here. White, orange, pink, green, and poop. So I'm gonna put all those colors onto the cake and then I'm gonna decorate with those colorful snacks. So I'm gonna use this plate, Disneyland Paris. I assume my youngest sister bought this in Paris some months ago. Was it too much? Oh my god, look at this mini Oreos. Now I put all the frosting on top of this. Now for the second layer. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So pretty. This is an art. I'm gonna get A for this work. Next. Boom. Oh my gosh. This is like my dream birthday cake. I'm gonna use this orange color. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is a huge mansion. So the last layer will be green. I actually like this color. Look at this. I'm professional. I got 554 subscribers. I'm gonna write 154 on the top. Yo, sister, what do you think of this? Look at this color, green, yellow, strawberry, and poop. Okay, my pen is ready. Ta-da! 154 cake! This is what cake bakers do, right? Oh my god, pretty! Guys, I just finished making a cake. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Initially, I wanted to make, galaxy colors, black, purple, blue, pink, but unfortunately I couldn't make purple colors, so it ended up like this, but it's still so good. Now I would like to thank all the subscribers and all the people who are watching this. I really appreciate that you guys are supporting me and supporting my life. I just want to have fun, guys. I don't want to be sad all the time. I want to do fun stuff. I want to enjoy new things because I'm an explorer. If you have any suggestion for me, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I really love you guys. Okay, I'm done doing photo shooting. Now let's cut this into pieces. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Oh my god, it's actually falling off. Inside is like this. I think I nailed it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is the Oreo part. The Oreo is a little bit moisty, but taste is so good. Not bad. This is actually a cake. I'm so surprised that I'm actually good at cooking. I actually made a cake without any instruction. If I made this to my future children, they're gonna be so happy. They're gonna be so amazed because this is colorful. Inside we got 4 different flavors, 4 different snacks. Children will love this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a #1 mom. I'm so positive I can make my children happy. So what should I try next? Comment in the comment section down below. Well, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that I'm having wonderful, amazing audience. For some months, I was making sad videos, but I don't want to do that anymore. I want to focus on something positive. From now on, you guys are gonna see me finding out something that I like and I enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this. Comment down below. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. And if you like this video, please thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to make this community bigger. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!